It's the next day. We're in Edinburgh and the weather is windy and it's grey. We woke up and we're just going for a walk. So the trailer is just, it's got a sea view. Basically that side is the sea. We're going to go for a walk nearby the sea. It's a bit cold. All of us are wearing jackets. Thank God we brought one. So these communities got a name. Ours is called the Troon, and there's a mini market nearby. I cannot see it right now, but there is definitely one. It has started drizzling. Today's menu is besan chilla in the breakfast, pulao in the lunch, and aloo sabzi in dinner.
That's what happens when you travel with family. You don't have to struggle finding restaurant.
Absolutely not. Last time we were surviving on Walker's and cold drink and Greg's Bakery, and this time we have proper Indian food.
Sort of a place for families to come and stay for a longer period. Definitely it's not one a day. There's beach, there's pool area, there's kids playing area, and a lot of different stuff for families. We paid around 170 for one day. For 6 people, so it was all good, but for 2 of them might be a little expensive. It started to rain. Oh, it's raining too heavy.
So we parked at the Waverley station. It's a little pricey. I think it was £5 for up to an hour, and then, but it's still in the city. It's like a 4 minutes walk to the Royal Mile, so it's worth it. So we are closer to almost every attraction in the city. Look at the stairs. That's Scott Monument.
Yeah!
Yeah, it looks so gothic.
So this was dedicated to a famous writer called Walter Scott, who changed the picture of Scotland from a death-like country to a romantic novel. That's why this building is there in his dedication. You can also climb up to the top. Like it opens 3 multiple slots.
It's right next to the Waverley station. There. It's good weather today. I just took off my jacket and I feel better. It's too gothic.
So there's a spot just next to it. There's a stairs. There's sort of a famous spot where you can come to get the pictures clicked. This is the main street, and you would have seen a lot of Bollywood, Hollywood movies shot here. Recently, Varun Dhawan was also shooting one of his movies here, and he was just dancing right there.
They've got such cute fridge magnets. These are so cute. So cute.
Now we are at the Royal Mile. We are going to Arthur's Close. नेशनल एनिमल क्या है स्कॉटलैंड में? सोच मतलब गेस करो.
फिश तो नहीं है?
फिश नहीं है.
एनिमल के लिए पिजन, सीगल, बैट, क्रो, शीप.
सीगल तो लंदन में मिल जाते हैं.
तो क्या आएगा? शीप और मैंने बोला शीप.
नहीं. 2 more tries each. Or 1 more try. सही हो तो बताना है सही। हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं तो आंसर बताऊंगा।
Sheep.
बन गए।
इसको तो दे दो एक
हिंट है ही नहीं उसका।
यूनिकॉर्न। हाँ।
आ गया यार।
And that's unicorn. Non-extinct animal as the national animal.
Unicorn. This place has like a completely different vibe. We went inside this. This is a college basically, but it has got some amazing view.
We're at Black Sheep Cafe.
Where are you going? So we are done with our coffee break. Now we are walking towards Dean Village, which is also near to Edinburgh. I'm not sure if it's already part of Edinburgh. But it's a very scenic. We are now at Dean Village.
20 minutes walk from the Black Sheep.
Roughly from Royal Mile, you can say.
Walk was nice. Got to see a lot of similar monuments at this city. So that's the Dean Bridge.
So there's a small metal bridge as well, which is the main lookout point, which we have to find. Might be that road. That is the Dean Village. We're just trying to find a way to go down. This is the way to Dean Village. We went towards wrong side at the first time. Well, the name of the bridge was Dean Bridge, but the viewpoint that we wanted to go for is through this, right? It's also cute. Well, this looks nice to me. Why would you want people to skip it? So what's your view on the Dean Village?
It was still a little underwhelming for me. I mean, after seeing Edinburgh, it doesn't feel very too nice. I mean, it's nice, but it's not too nice for me. If I would just say, we can skip this
Go.
place. Yeah,
Go.
it's like a 20 minutes walk from the center of Edinburgh. So I think you can skip it.
Don't skip it.
Yeah, he liked it. I did not.
There are a couple of good photo spots if you are interested in that. Like look at this cottage. This here. There. So many good photo spots. And see, not too crowded. Yeah, we go inside. We are going to car park now. To take car, also to eat something. What will you eat?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
You will eat cocomelon. Okay. Took a cab for the parking and we just left the bag in the cab itself. And the bag had passports for Bhaiya, Bhabhi and everyone. So there was AirTag in it, but the location was not being updated for a while and we had to wait some time, and then finally we got it back.
Also, the Uber support is useless.
Yes.
I mean, they took so much time just to respond, but since the AirTag was in the bag, so we were constantly trying to locate it, but it was just there on one spot for a very long time. So we decided to just go by walk and look around and try to find it ourselves, because the Uber was not helping, of course. So we just knocked on one of the doors nearby where the location was showing. We just knocked on the door and there it was. The people who boarded after us probably just took it with them.
Mistakenly.
Mistakenly.
So there was an old lady who thought it was her bag and she just took it with herself. but luckily we got it back.
We got it back.
Uber
replied to us that
said there's no bag in the cab, which was fine. But if driver would have been a bad guy, he would have taken the bag. There was no other way other than
they closed the
police
chat.
complaint.
They closed the chat stating that okay, the driver said there's no bag. They didn't give any number of driver. Anyway, just leaving the bad things.
It was a stressful last hour. But now we are at Chai Wala to drink chai.
Yes, I'm craving some chai.
Let's go.
Let's go.
अगर किसी को लेना हो
मैं आपसे प्यार नहीं करता. नो, थोड़ा सा.
वो डाल दो
नहीं, थोड़ा सा कर दो, थोड़ा सा.
वो डाल दो
नहीं, थोड़ा सा. भैया.
What? We came back to the stay now. It's not dark yet. It is dark, but not pitch dark. This is how it looks. We're already full after eating at Chai Wala, so we're going to have a movie night today. And then we'll leave for Inverness tomorrow. We've got like 2-3 spots to cover on the way to Inverness, like Loch Lomond, Glencoe Valley. We'll be visiting those tomorrow while going to Inverness. We have got a similar kind of stay booked in Inverness. It is a 3-hour drive from here. It's gonna take more than that, so we need to check out from here at 10. I don't think we're going to rush it. We're gonna just keep it slow and nice, enjoy the whole thing. Bye.